Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to download and install iOS 27 beta on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you have recently listen about the iOS 27 developer beta has been revealed, and now if you want to download and install the iOS 27 developer beta on your iPhone, then how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. So you have to simply, first of all, turn on the airplane mode, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply go to general. And after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, what you have to do, you have to simply go to general again, and this time you have to simply click on software update. And here you have to simply make sure that you have refreshed the software update section. But if it is not showing the iOS 27, then what you have to do, you have to simply first of all go to the beta updates, and here you can simply see that there are two kinds of beta updates are available. The first one is the iOS 27 developer beta, and the second one is iOS 26 developer beta. So you have to simply click on iOS 27 developer beta. As you click on the iOS 27 developer beta, it will take some time, and after that it will be turned on, and after that you go back, you can simply find the iOS 27 developer beta is available to download. So this time I do not have enough storage to download and install that iOS 27 beta. So otherwise I will tell you how you can simply download and install that. For this you have to simply click on that download, and it will be available, and it will be update requested, and after it has downloaded, then it will be available to install on your iPhone. So in this way you can simply install the iOS 27 developer beta on your iPhone iOS 26. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.